Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy salad made with peanuts and vegetables. Let us see the ingredients first. Chopped tomato, chopped onions and chilies, chopped cucumber, chopped carrot, pomegranate, salt and lemon, and 2 cups of boiled peanuts. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of boiled peanuts. These are soaked and boiled peanuts. Add chopped onion and chilies. Add chopped cucumber. Add chopped tomato. Add grated carrot. Add pomegranate. Now add salt according to your taste. Now squeeze half of the lemon. Mix all the ingredients properly. This is one of the healthiest option. You can eat it as a snack. You can eat it before having your lunch. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video, and do recommend what kind of videos you want to watch.